What's up guys, I'm working on my engine again, and today I got the new Texas Speed Stage 2 cam installed. It's in there, it's ready to go. So this is a 3-bolt conversion from a 1-bolt cam. This new cam is going to have a lot more performance than the old one. The intake duration for this cam is 229, and the exhaust duration is 244. Way more than the stock cam. I also installed the keyway, the crankshaft gear, the camshaft gear too. I also have this K-Tech timing chain, which is used in the C5 and C6R Corvettes for racing. And apparently they've never broken, but just like that, we got it converted. I'm ready to go.
Don't want that cam hit the ground.
No promises. Alright, it's all done. Alright guys, let's get the cam installed.
So you said, Christ, if you're out there.
All the way in. Hopefully I didn't break anything. Probably did. It looks so good. Texas Speed.